As you can see, the blower wasn't working. The heater blower wasn't working, the fan wasn't working, and that can have up to 3 reasons normally with the heating system. One can be a fuse, and you can see the fuse is located here. That's the 40 fuse for the fan, that's the main fan for the engine, and then these two are condenser fans and the AC. So both of these 20 amps control the climate system in the car. One is for the fan that's underneath the blower motor, and then one is for the AC. But these have been tested. You can test them by wiring them with a wire or swapping them around. That's how I tested them, and they're both working. So that's not the problem. The resistor is simple. You take off this screw and this screw, and then you unplug this, and then this should come right out, and then you can simply just swap it with the new one, and then hopefully that fixes your problem. If that isn't the problem, then you will need to change the motor, or test the motor at least. The motor is simple. There's 3 screws that you need to take out, and this will just simply come down. As you can see, this is where it goes, and that is the air filter up top. So as you can see now, I've swapped out the motor and I've screwed it back in. One screw there, one screw there, and then one screw over here. There, one screw there. This hose comes out, and this is the plug, and the resistor is back in its spot. And now, as you can see, if I start the AC system, yeah, there's air coming out. So that is the problem that was in this car, and now it is fixed. You have to be careful with these resistors. You need to have the same mounting shape, the same shape with the same screws and the same plug. As you can see, if this focuses, there, I'm talking about these screws and that plug. As you can see, I do have a CRV resistor that has the same plug, but it doesn't have the same mounting shape, so you won't actually be able to mount this in the car. As you can see, it won't fit in the car. I turn on my flash, you can see better. It won't fit in the car over there because of the shape. Next thing to test is the resistor. This is the second thing that makes up the system. So to check this, you have to take off this panel, which is located here. Mounting point there, 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 and there for the clips. What I did was I took off the glove box. It's located underneath the glove box. So to take off the glove box, screws there and there. That was just the first time, so I could get better access to the relay, which is located here. And then this is where the motor fan is located. As you can see, I've taken it out currently because I was swapping them out. But check this, you can use an ohm meter, or you can just simply buy another one and then swap it and then test if that works. And if that fixes your problem, that means that this has broken. This piece just goes back in there. So this mounting point goes in there, that clip goes in there, that clip goes right in there, and that clip goes in there. And just like that, back to how it was originally, and now our blower is working.